I do them I will start fucking in the comments. I will them repeat over them. So once the picture of pain to me, it's hard to deal with. But you know, you see what I'm afraid of the blood clot name called.
When you hear that, my viewers, friend turn enemy, me have a voice note for you to listen to, where a man when named Cybert, a burn out the correct town done, and I say a Omar Marsh and Sammy them, are the corruption in the place. So now welcome to my channel, and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fit talk about, so now drop some like on the video, subscribe to my channel if you don't subscribe yet. So my people, Adam Mania, named Cybert, he was a ex-JDF soldier, but them kick him out of the army for a bag of corruption, bag of fraud. Him all grape off the people them pitney and did go do 18 months a Spanish town prison. Till see it now, him in a voice note attack a bag of things, bag of people name him a call up with where go on in a correct town. So now listen to this, my people, and hear what me have to say about this.
I do them I will start fucking in the comments. I will them repeat over them. So once the picture of pain to me, it's hard to deal with. But you know, you see what I'm afraid of? I'm afraid of the blood clot name called, you know. That's why I mean, because me afraid of even these trips to anybody about anybody, honestly. All the Mr. Barry, I know I see it. When they meet, I'll keep the same. They might say, Upman and playing for come. I mean, I said to John, if the master and playing for come, it will come too. Same time, the inspector talking. And the inspector said to him, he talked to Mr. Mr. Fifth. I didn't say about what. He said, the way you say Mr. Fifth, they never come back and you have cool. If you're coming, you know, tell me Mr. Fifth. Then I mean, said to him, so well, if that's like it, tell Mr. Fifth, man, cut me out about it. I didn't say Mr. Fifth, just drive out. He tell me that when I front, I got it. Because me over to Mr. Fifth, I said, the man won't come on the meet. The meet was not coming to me. So, if you leave them the boss to, I said, boy, sir, I want to say something to you. Even when the meet not done, I ain't before it starts. It's so far. Even I will listen to them. Because you them could ask right here, because I said, sir, ask them people if we is no problem to them. The whole I see. First of all, let's never do nobody. I let me hear, because I got in here 2 days, I drive past him. Walk past him and I open and I'm not talking to me. You know, so no, that's all to me. Right time I see but it's put light post there at Tooth Shop. And we walk past him and so nothing to me, I know. And a couple of days after we them go up the lane, but we stand up the rest of them go back. Somebody must Tasha's son with a kid and a girl. You know, must kill somebody, I must stop up somebody them say. So in bail condition, I have Tasha house in my state, the lane. So the police and what's him next to them that he had them supposed to death on the bail condition. Because he must can't Alman told him, must stop a girl, my girl must stop him first. I burn him up with that. I took something on him, I saw something here. So we said the police them go up there. And then we said 6 them go up in the night. But they don't want to bleed. Police brother bleed. Him and the man then go up and PV them go up in the night. Walk through the yard and the last in here. I'm going to come over. But I see them people in the morning with the road and Brian Street. The boy them go up on the shop, go shoot up on Brian Street, see me. So what them I try do, you see what them do last night as an exposure, but no army thing. When them I try to intimidate the youth them, make the youth them feel like them not to come on the place, that man and walk through the step on them. So last night them know, so the man them there last night. So what them do, them walk through the area. Because I say, in order to intimidate the man and can hear, so man pass through the air. I cover them things, because if made up on the ground, them can't do that. That's a kind of bigger thing. And me, that's a kind of the gangster circle. And jump big, otherwise. No matter they think by us with family and not Martin, but that's why we don't want to get involved in them, because that the years of the man. If the man wants the man to come like a year and not that the year and not them say. You get me, I say. I mean, I said, oh, that's cool, come on, that me a year. So I said, why I don't know. Me, I said, that him say. Yeah, let me tell you, say, that me here, saying, talk to you and tell him. I'm get scared. This is over like him, I said, why I don't want to wine in the year, I said, someone. Yo, that's someone. Initial state, initial state. That's why I must tell Maryland that me here. So that's why I tell you, them say, pull off of the year a little. until when the thing cool down. Because that very dance they tell it. Come on, once in a use on the road, man. Because they want everybody to go on the road when nobody not go. But why him so always want to kill you, go about and go there? Why him never said it's alright? They don't like to the place nice. But you know, he wants to the place nice, but he must be the man in charge. I will go tell us no. They say always you go on if it's the case is where the man that they on film side, it means the money around that side. That's why I don't want to get it. Then we say come to me, you know, because I'm going to call the one big dumb thing right now. That's why I say I'm not like you, you know, maybe say certain things, you know, but when I'm afraid anybody saying things to me say. I say I'll make sure you know that I hear say and that this week was here, you know. Say him say if the man come back and hear I'm gonna take revenge and so much. Because I daily tell we at the funeral. Me and Suka, everybody, Luke, George, Cook, Jimmy, the world was and the same, who are them, Sammy, who are them, the man said. But we have a man in custody for the shooting, and also the man was shot on them arm at close range. The man will walk with him shooting. So the man says, the man paper out about it, somewhere. The man will walk with you, and them give the police a man, you know. Yeah, but when they know use the man that, because the police them say that the funeral. I mean, that's to themselves, so alright, well, the place is supposed to alright now. Because they want to come back in, they want man to follow behind them. That's why I'm really scared of it. Because a man called Suka and said, Suka, why the meeting keep? I you know what I mean? A man called Suka. And Suka said, we're not busy with that, the police, I command and the minister and national security, I keep them in like a politician. It's not no done in meeting we used to keep like community. But you know we as the youth them like here as the man them like here as the community and we used to call them meetings together. We bring the youth them together for the shooting aspect so. Since Shindan them done with them type of things, because police man them not negotiate with no gangster. Them not talk with no prison, with no criminal. And that them I said no meet with them have them say no criminal to be a partner. Them not talk about no gangster business like anything the police and them with the conversation. You know, that's what they call them meet you. I want to tell you this. You know me tell the inspector yesterday, me not coming back to know what I mean. I mean, I help him carry note here, no chair, no mic, no. I don't use the hospital to food. Me not do back. And when I say call in march, it's have no use. Nobody call in march, I give me information and tell people what you say. Yeah, last year said November. You know, so what I feel them plan for doing now. But them want to just keep you them out of the year. Them are trying to intimidate.
When you hear that, my viewers, friend turn enemy, no loyalty, no inner badness. And for all who not understand what he talk about Craigtown politics. And he say the war one-sided because one set of man them a use police for help them. Them have the MP pan for them side. Everybody pan for them side. He say Omar Marsh and Sammy them a corruption. My viewers, I'm tired for tell the man them boy, you say no war now win boy, you know. So I don't know why the man them a kill up themselves, you know. And I run up and down with all iron in a hand, you know. You know see say the youth them a dead off. You know see say the youth them a go up and sell black. You know see say the people them can't live in peace. You know see say the kids them not have no Christmas. As well I say my viewers, Cybert, the man who no just here in the voice note, he was a ex-JDF soldier. And I kick him out of the army for corruption. Man them man your name, who no hear him a call up, a friend, or them was friend. Cause you hear him in a voice note about them out. Some of viewers, who no stay safe out there, you know. Until next time, you know. Put on 3 points a road. You don't know the code.